What you want? Huh? I love you too. I love you too, birdie. Big stretch. Pretty wings. Big stretch. Oh, you're not gonna do the pretty wings? Baby, why you turned your back on the camera, bird? Huh? What? What, baby? Yeah? Huh? Hi, cutie. Yeah? Love you too. You like it out here? You tell the camera? Do you like it out here? Oh, you gonna stretch again? Pretty wings. Oh, did you puff up? Are you a little puff ball? Someday to the puff ball. What you doing, baby? He goes, no, mommy, you got lipstick on. I'm not kissing you. I have to wash my beak off. Or you'll try to wash it off for me, and then I'll bite you. What you doing, silly boy? Yeah, what you doing? It's alright. I'm sure it's chewing on me. You're a silly girl, Sharlett. What? Oh, shh. It's okay. Aww. Thank you. Baby. Say baby. Baby bird. Peekaboo. Good job. This is one of your favorite words recently has been peekaboo. Thank you. You making kissy noises? You giving out kisses? Hi. Are you gonna kiss the camera? That's you. Are you watching yourself, baby bird? So who's that handsome bird in the camera? Oh, that's a truck, guys. It's just a truck. Shh. Just a truck. Okay. It's okay, Sharlett. It's alright, you guys. It's just a truck. Hey, it's okay. It's okay, girlie. Don't bite me. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye!